Findability has gone through a series of shifts in the past year with no sign of slowing down. These changes have ramifications that impact your goals and revenue. But what is findability, and how can you use it to maximize your efforts in 2025? In your digital front door strategy, you cater to users no matter what their needs or where they arrive on your site. Findability is their digital first step. It's how they discover your organization online. Findability ensures users choose to engage with your site versus your competitors, and ultimately, it determines if a key user, like a prospective patient, chooses to convert by calling, filling out a form, or scheduling an appointment online. Most users determine your value digitally before deciding to convert, so being present when users search for you online remains crucial to success. That hasn't changed. What has changed is the methodology. Findability and reach are no longer simply about making sure your organization is ranked number one when a local user searches for the services you provide. It's about maximizing your digital market share. You may have already guessed what has caused this change: artificial intelligence. More specifically, generative AI and algorithmic AI. Generative AI refers to things like ChatGPT, Google's AI overviews, and answer engines like Perplexity, where the AI is generating a response to your question or prompt. Algorithmic AI enhances or replaces traditional search engine algorithms to determine what is of most value to the user. For example, the coveted number one spot on Google's search results page is now being determined by AI that was trained to think and choose like a real-life user would. This has opened a brand new realm of possibilities, frustrations, and complications. Historically, findability was defined as an organic part of digital marketing, how search engines rank your site strictly based on the content, the information architecture of your pages and sections, and if reputable sites link back to you. But with AI's increasing sophistication, it's able to also weigh your value not just on your primary site, but your subsites, business listings quality, social media engagement, paid advertising, and the overall user experience. If it's something that an actual living user may encounter, AI will consider it as part of its judgment. We're rapidly entering an age where findability is defined as any way that a user finds you across any platform or channel. While it's crucial to consider these channels harmoniously, the most important source of information and value is still your site's user experience, and that's because AI views your primary site as the source of truth. How your pages and sections are structured determines if your organization appears as a single result or multiple nested results when you appear in a user's search. Ensure your sections follow an easily scannable hierarchy where sub-items nest under the section's landing page, your pages follow the same format and standardization, and your content within follows a similar hierarchy on page. How the pages of your site are connected, including navigation types and links on the page, help the AI determine how robust and trustworthy your organization is against other competitors in your healthcare market. It uses your provider profiles and location pages to validate your business listings, which connect users with ratings, reviews, and crucial information about the location or doctor they plan to visit. If the listing doesn't match the profile, you lose trust and digital market share. That is a sizable chunk of space to lose because in local markets, business listings are now the number one spot. And perhaps one of the most overlooked keys to engaging AI is schema-structured data, which we love to talk about. It's that little snippet of code that details the page's purpose, its connected providers or locations, any additional related pages, and the next most important page a user can go to name a few. You may be saying, schema just sounds like a sitemap with more steps, but here's the difference. A sitemap gives machines the broadest, 10,000-foot view of everything it can see on your site. Schema creates the underlying web that connects the pieces together. And while context may also be available within the content on your pages, AI is like a user. Users get frustrated and leave when they have to jump through too many hoops. So the first thing that a machine sees is a code snippet specifically tailored to how it comprehends things, giving you the leg up you need to outperform competition. Always remember, modern findability is all about accommodating the user, whether it's a human or a machine. You need their digital first step and every step after to be as smooth as possible. As always, our findability experts are here to provide strategy, optimization, and guidance when you're ready to expand your organization's reach and grow market share.